Welcome back. We're going to move on to assembling the rest of the clarinet. If you have not already watched the video where we assembled the barrel, the mouthpiece, the ligature, and the reed, please do that first and then come back to this video. Just like when we started with the mouthpiece and barrel assembly by greasing that cork, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to grease all the corks on the entire clarinet. Again, just a light coat of cork grease. Rub it in with your fingertips. And the newer the cork is, the more grease you're going to need more often. Once you've done that for all of the corks on the instrument, you're going to take out the bell and the lower joint, which is the biggest one. You're going to gently twist them together to connect. Again, the key word here is gently. If you're noticing it's too difficult, stop and add more cork grease. In general, whenever you're assembling a woodwind instrument of any kind, you want to avoid putting pressure on the keywork as you're doing this connection. If you do have to put your fingers on some keys to make it happen, you want to spread out the weight. So hold as many keys as possible. That way the pressure is spread out throughout all of them and you're less likely to bend. But on this lower joint here, we're lucky because we have this big stretch where there isn't any keywork, and that's really the place to grab as you twist the bell on. Once you've done that, you're going to take out your upper joint. The trick with this one is the second key here activates this mechanism here. This is called the upper bridge key, and we want it to connect to the lower bridge key, which is on the lower joint. So as you connect the upper joint with the lower joint, again with that gentle twisting motion, you're gonna hold down the second key with your second finger. That way this key stays out of the way and we can slide this key right underneath. Make sure you line those two up. This is a really common issue people have when assembling clarinets. You want to be sure that once you put it together, the lower bridge key is underneath the upper bridge key. So the key on the lower joint is underneath the key on the upper joint. If you've done this all correctly, you're going to see that the holes line up all the way down. The thumb rest is on the bottom, and it looks like a comfortable spot to put your thumb. The thumb hole is right up here, and everything's in alignment, including those keys on the side. Now you just take your barrel, and like before, you're going to gently twist it onto the clarinet. Make sure that your reed is in line with the register key and the thumb hole on the back of your instrument. There you go. Now you've assembled your entire clarinet and you're ready to move on.